Yeah. How have you been making out during this period? How it has been for you? What helping you cope through all of this? Do you have animals? I don't know, you're reading books, YouTube, Instagram. See so many comments below. Let me know how you coping in this. Personally for me, I think it's starting to get very hard now. In the early days it was cool. I'd watch YouTube tutorials, I'd watch all of plenty noise in the background, I'm outside. Just need to get outside a bit, right? So I was watching YouTube tutorials, trying to watch some stuff on like Netflix and stuff, but I think one of the major issues with that now, especially with the children home as well, is some of the good shows, the content may not be suitable for the children, and they be walking past. They may not, they all need to be where you are, but you know how children could be. A part of it that also is getting very hard as well is not being able to work. I can work, but the thing is I sell insurance and not much people interested in buying insurance. I mean, I've got one or two sales during this. People will ask questions when how much people buy, and people looking at their spend. I mean, there are some people that I've spoken to that was supposed to sign, but some they're not working now. Probably temporarily, they will probably have back their jobs once they kind of relax all the stuff that they have going on, and probably then they would probably be able to purchase. But right now they're unable to purchase, so definitely the financial hit will come at some point. But I mean, still trying to stay positive and be at my best. Yeah. What are you doing to cope? I have Skylar out here with me, who is about a 3-year-old. So much, about 2.5-year-old Italian mastiff. Come, Skylar. Come. Here she goes. Yeah, let us know. What are you doing to cope with the stay-at-home measures during this pandemic? What are you doing? Do you have a routine? You have your dogs, your fishes, your birds. When I say birds, I mean literal birds. Is it that I don't know? Yeah, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Netflix. Let us know. I know I'm pretty much at my wit's end. Ready to go back out to work, ready for things to return to normal. I mean, of course it can't, and of course we need to wait until everything is secure before that could happen. But hey. Yeah, I'm not one of those who lets dogs, lick up their face and things. Nah. We cool, but we ain't that cool. But feel free to drop a message, drop a comment. Let other people know how you're coping. Let me know. Probably suggest something for me that I can do. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of reading books. Give some suggestions still, even if you think you have some good books that I might be able to read and change my perspective. Feel free to do that as well. Yeah, let me know. Right? Any comments? Out.